Japan Bullet Train inside the world's fastest and cleanest train. Imagine traveling at over 300 kilometers per hour. So smooth, you can balance a coin on its edge. Welcome to Japan's legendary bullet train, the Shinkansen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced transportation systems in the world. Japan's high-speed rail network, the Shinkansen. Speed and technology. The Shinkansen isn't just fast, it's incredibly precise. Some trains reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, connecting major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto in just a few hours. But here's the amazing part. Delays are measured in seconds, not minutes. Yes, you heard that right. The average delay is less than 1 minute. This level of precision is powered by advanced technology, dedicated tracks in world-class engineering, comfort, and experience. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the difference. Spacious seats, clean interiors, quiet cabins. It feels more like flying business class than taking a train. Passengers enjoy wide reclining seats, large windows with stunning views, smooth, almost vibration-free travel. You can even enjoy snacks, bento boxes, and drinks while watching Japan's beautiful landscapes pass by. Safety and innovation. Safety is where the Shinkansen truly stands out. Since its launch in 1964, there have been 0 fatal accidents due to crashes or derailments. An incredible record. The trains are equipped with automatic braking systems and earthquake detection technology that can stop trains instantly if needed. Experience. As the train speeds through the countryside, you might catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji on a clear day, a moment that feels almost magical. It's not just a journey, it's an experience of speed, comfort, and perfection. So, would you ride the Shinshin? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel and technology videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.